If there is one place in your home that serves as a haven for family and friends, it is the living room. You surely want it to be aesthetic and comfortable. A luxurious space is also desirable, even if it means spending a bit on its decor. According to data shared by Statista, the home decor market in the US generated an impressive revenue of 35.4%, $4 billion in 2023. The market size is projected to grow at 4.90% per annum by 2027. Much of the home decor investments go into living room upgrades. For a homeowner planning a makeover for this area, achieving a plush look and feel may sound like a massive investment. The truth is that you don't need to drain your wallet for the project. A few strategic upgrades are enough to create a stylish environment for your living room. Here we will share a few actionable tips to implement a plush upgrade of your living room without burning a hole in your wallet. Incorporate colors and textures. A paint refresh is the easiest way to give your interiors a stylish look and feel, and it is also the most cost-effective idea. Think beyond the conventional shades and opt for the trending hues of the season. Good Housekeeping lists the top paint colors for 2025. Denim blue, hot cocoa, deep purple, and shades of red are going to be in. If you want lighter hues, opt for cream, light green, or buttermilk yellow. Creating an accent wall with one of these trending shades is also an option if you want to achieve more with less. Besides the wall paint, add throw pillows, blankets, or a new rug to introduce vibrant hues. Think of these as focal points. The best part is that you can change these elements seasonally or whenever you want a design refresh. Apart from colors, try incorporating different textures like velvet or faux fur to create a cozy atmosphere. You can layer fabrics to add depth and interest. Invest in furniture alternatives. The home furniture market in the US is huge, with its expected worth touching 93.1%, $8 billion in 2025. As per Mordor Intelligence, the market will reach billion by with a growth rate of. During the forecast period, a furniture upgrade can instantly enhance the luxe appeal of your living room. Look for cost-effective alternatives instead of splurging on high-end furniture. Leather couches crafted in full-grain leather are worth the money because of their appeal and durability. They mimic high-end styles and last for years. According to Headsprings Depot, top-quality leather furniture wins on the versatility front too. Whether your living room decor is rustic or contemporary, a leather couch will blend in seamlessly. You may also upcycle some of the existing furniture pieces using some cost-effective steps. Try painting or upgrading new hardware to give them a fresh look. For example, you can repaint an old coffee table. Make lighting upgrades. Swapping out existing lampshades for new ones is another way to alter the mood of your living room. Consider bold colors or interesting patterns to create visual interest. Likewise, warm-toned bulbs can create a cozy ambiance for your space. Take this opportunity to move to eco-friendly alternatives like LED lighting. The Department of Energy notes that residential LED bulbs can lower energy usage by at least 75%. Moreover, they can last 25 times more than conventional bulbs. In this way, they can save you big money despite the initial investment. Incorporating multiple light sources at varying heights can also add a plush ambiance to your living room. For instance, a mix of floor lamps, table lamps, and string lights creates a warm, inviting glow. This layered approach adds dimension and character to the entire room. Accessorize wisely. Plush spaces are not about expensive paintings and decorative pieces. You can accessorize your living room wisely to make it appear luxurious without spending big. Thrift stores are a good place to buy interesting wall art and decor elements. New curtains, rugs, and cushions are also not too expensive. Bringing some indoor plants into your living room is a good idea. Besides adding life to your space, indoor plants improve air quality. Choose low-maintenance houseplants that blend into the existing decor. Also, consider your lifestyle and aesthetic preferences to create a perfect look and feel. How can I make my small living room look and feel spacious? Many American homes are not too big, but their living rooms can be decorated tastefully. You can create the illusion of space even in a small living room. Use light colors on walls and furnishings for a good start. Also, try incorporating mirrors to reflect light and choosing multifunctional furniture. What are some frugal ideas to decorate your living room walls? Wall decor is a key component of living room aesthetics. They need not cost a fortune to create a plush ambiance. Removable wallpaper can be used to design an accent wall. You can also hang lightweight woven baskets for texture. Creating a gallery wall with personal photos or DIY art is a good idea. How often should I refresh my living room decor? The frequency of living room decor upgrades depends on your lifestyle, budget, and preference. You need not overhaul your decor frequently. Instead, consider seasonal updates by swapping accessories like rugs, cushions, or throws. This approach keeps your space feeling fresh without a hefty investment. A plush living room is a prized possession for a homeowner, but the expense can make it unaffordable. That's a misconception because you can create a luxurious space on a small budget. Try these ideas to decorate your living room in a picture-perfect way.